Hi guys, my name is Brad, and today I'm going to show you how to install this MELIPRON spare tire carrier on my platform style roof rack for my double cab Tacoma. Starting off with what's in the box, you got your mounting plate right here, along with your wheel plate, your handle, and your J-bolt, along with the instructions, and then you got hardware for both a platform style rack like mine or a cargo basket style. And then they even include this lock here so your tire doesn't get stolen. But before we can start with assembly, we got to take the spare off. Go ahead and assemble your tire iron and start lowering your spare tire. Go ahead and position your mounting plate on top of your roof rack. I slid these bolts underneath these rails and lined it up in the center, and then I'm just going to tighten all four down. Now you're going to want to line your tire up within the center of the hook on your mounting plate, and you're going to want to grab your J hook and loop it around that inner hook. Then you're going to take your tire plate and put these foam inserts on, lay those foam side down and place it like that, and then you're just going to grab your handle and spin it on. Now that it's nice and tight, take this part, stick your lock in between the hole on the tire plate and this separate hole, and lock it in position. Alright guys, that concludes our install. And as you can see, now that we're mounted on the roof, anytime we bottom out, we don't have to worry about that spare tire getting popped, and then we wouldn't be able to use it. So, hope you guys found this helpful, and I think it looks great.